I already divided the dough into 4, we will now start doing the first cut dough for the pandesal. Stretch the dough longer with the use of a rolling pin. Push it back and forth to flatten it. Then roll the flattened dough outward to make it firm in the inside part. Make sure that the rolled dough is of equal shape all throughout. Then, cut perpendicularly, approximately 30 to 50 grams each. Slice. Then, roll it on the breadcrumbs. Then, put it on a baking sheet with a wax paper. Then, set aside. I am now making the filling for the Spanish bread. Mix 1 cup of margarine with 1/2 cup of washed sugar. Continuously mix it by applying the creaming technique. Then, set aside. We will now get the second sliced dough and form it for our Spanish bread. Just the same procedure for the pandesal dough. Stretch the dough and roll it outward to make sure that the inside part of the dough is firm. Then cut perpendicularly, approximately 30 to 50 grams for each pre-cut dough for Spanish bread. Then, cut it and roll it in a manner where there is wider part and pointed part. Put in the fillings, then roll outward to make it sure that each side are locked so that the filling will not overflow during the baking process. Do the same process on the remaining pre-cut Spanish bread dough. Roll them on a breadcrumbs. Then, place it on a baking sheet with the first set of pandesal. Put in a preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes and wait until it is done. Wow! It is baked now. It's time for tasting. Wow! By this time, you will feel sort of personal achievement of making a successful baked pandesal and Spanish bread. Congratulations!